Welcome to LEEDs College Peshawar. My name is Inayat Afridi and I'm a lecturer of English and Comparative Literature at LEEDs College Peshawar. In today's lecture, I would introduce the 9-part subspace determiner. In this topic, I would focus on the different categories of the determiners, and I will also explain where do exactly we use the determiner. So let's first of all define what determiner is. Determiner is a grammatical word which is placed in front of noun or noun equivalent to give informations about it. I mean, the definitions, I use the word noun equivalent. Noun equivalent means that it may be pronoun or it may be a noun phrase. So the complete definitions of the determiner, that it is a grammatical word used in front of a noun, pronoun or noun phrase to give informations about it. I want to clear the definitions with few examples. A desk, an apple, the question, few students, and the score. In these examples we have nouns, desk, apple, questions, students, and call. But first comes determiner, like this is a, an, the, few, and this. These are called determiner because they are placed normally before the noun and they give informations about the specific noun. Now coming down to the point that determiner may refer to a noun or it may quantify a noun. Based on this concept, determiner is furtherly divided into two types. It is referring determiner and the next one is the quantifying determiner. Referring determiner, it refers to specific nouns. In the quantifying determiner, it includes those determiner which quantify the determiner. Now, question is, can we classify determiner into its divisions? Of course, yes. Determiner furtherly has 4 subclasses, including central determiner, demonstrative determiner, possessive determiner, and number determiner. In each of these subdivisions, some of the determiner class has been subdivided into classes. Like if you take the central determiner, furtherly has 2 subdivisions, definite determiner and indefinite determiner. Definite determiner include the, sometimes pronounced the, and it's usually placed before the noun to make that specific, mean it refers to specific or definite noun. Coming down to the indefinite determiner, furtherly has 2 sub-mean examples, say a and an. Where exactly we use a determiner is placed before a word that begins with consonant letters. For example, a book, a cat, a desk. It means each of these words begins with consonant letters ba, ka, and da. Now, coming down to this ones, where we use the indefinite article n. N is used before a word that begins with vowel sounds. Examples, an apple, an egg. Each of these words begins with the vowels a and e. Is it clear? Now, the next subdivisions is called the demonstrative determiner. What is demonstrative determiner? These determiners are used to indicate or point the things, noun. Examples, this book, that chair, these books, and those books. So this, it indicates the book, mean, for example, say this book, let's say that book. If we have many books, then we use these books, and if we have many books, right, we use those books. Now coming down to what is the possessive determiner? Possessive determiner is used to show that something belongs to someone. For example, if I say my car, his chair, and your problem. If I ask a question that whose car is this? I say my car, mean the car belongs to me. If I say whose chair is this? Mean his chair, so mean the chair belongs to him. And your problem, mean whose problem is this? Mean your problem. So exactly these determiner my, has, and use, they are used to those, mean to show possessions with the noun. Well, after that, sometimes determiner is misused in some of the sentences. So mean watch out, remember. We cannot use to referring determiner within a given sentence. I have list one special case down. This one says the dress is in my room. Grammatically, this sentence is wrong. Reason is we have two referring determiners. So its correct usage is the dress is in my room. I mean, in this case, we use single referring determiner. So the point is that we cannot use to referring determiner to specify a noun within a given sentence. Keep in touch with English. Have a nice time. Thank you very much for time.